So guys, this is the free update from Temu. Once you use the link on the pinned comment section or on the description to sign in, it's going to bring you over to this interface. Some person is going to ask for a code, and I'll be dropping this code below the description and also the pinned comment section. You can use that code, input the code and move further. But if this does not ask for a code from you, what you need to do is to click on this free gift. All right, once you click on that free gift, it's going to take you over to the next page. And if you're unable to see the free gift, you can come up here and search for the free gift. But right now this is actually showing free gift, so what you just need to do is to tap on the free gift, and it's going to bring you over to this interface where you can see items that are actually free, that you don't need to pay any amount to get. And so guys, just a quick introduction for those coming to my channel for the first time. My name is Joachim, and so what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. You can actually find these links down there in the video description, where I show you some specific ways you can use to make money online, and most times run giveaways on those channels. So without no much talk, let's dive into today's business. So right now you can just go ahead to pick this, and it's going to show you the amount of items that you have to pick. So right now you can see that I have actually picked one inside 3 items. Okay, you can actually see that it requires me to pick 3 items to proceed with these free orders. All right, so I just picked one right now, and I just come down here and I'm going to pick something I just feel I need. Okay, I picked this. Okay, just pick a gift, and it's going to show you prompts like this, so you just need to follow the prompt. So what else can I pick over here? So let me just say I pick this one. Okay, so I've actually picked the 3 items that is required of me. Then I just need to confirm my address. Okay, so once you confirm your address, you just need to follow the procedures and just end your order. So this is totally free, and the delivery is also free. So I've actually reached this stage, so I just need to click on got it. So it's going to bring the other items for me. I just need to click on got it. So that is the procedures you will use to claim your reward and your free items on Temu. All right, so right now we actually need to get this particular stuff to the end 100%, that is actually loading. So once you're able to get this to 100%, you will be given these items delivered straight to your address. Okay, so what you just need to do right now is to follow this prompt. As it's bringing all these coins, you just need to click on the process, as it's showing you more items to click or more clickable buttons to click. You just need to follow this process till it gets to the end. Okay, so you just need to follow this process. So right now it says click to collect more coin. You click that. Okay, so you just need clicking this till you get to the end of this. Okay, so right now we have actually double times what we have, so we are just adding more coin to what we have right now. So as you can see, we are actually getting more of this coin. So you just need to click all this and follow the prompts. So these are all what you just need to do. So by the end of everything, it's going to bring you to an interface that will say congrats, link shared. People around you may not be Temu users, invite them. So you just need to click on invite and invite people to Temu. Okay, so once you're able to fill this to the end, this item selected will be shipped to your address. Okay, so we actually need 2 coins to complete this process. So that is how you can actually claim a free item on Temu, and it will be shipped directly to your address. So just for you to confirm this, I'm just going to show you the order I placed using this demo app. So I just need to head over to you, and then I just need to click on confirm. Okay, so once I click on confirm, and you can see your orders. So once you click on your orders, you can actually see that this orders was placed without paying any fee. As you can see, this is a rechargeable portable fan, and this is a wireless headset, and this is also a LED Christmas projector. You can see all this was totally free. I was not asked to pay any fee. And when you head over to my email address, you can actually see that they confirm that these items will be delivered to my address. And so guys, this is the message I got from Temu after placing that order, and these are the items I'll be receiving on the address I sent to Temu. You can see that the discount is 70 naira, 263 naira, which I'm supposed to pay, but actually they said the subtotal is 0 naira, which is free. Shipping is free, so this is totally free. You can start using this app to order for items for free. I will advise you quickly jump into this because no one knows when this is going to end. Just make sure you use the link below the description of this video and on the pinned comment section, and you must be referred by someone. Now here is the tip. You need to first of all use the link below the description of this video or on the pinned comment section, wherever you find it. Download the app. Then if you're asked for a code, the code on the pinned comment section or on the description, insert that. Then head over to the free options where you see free gifts, then click on that. Once you head over to those free gifts, make sure you read the description, because you might see a phone case and you will think that that is actually an iPhone. You are actually ordering a phone case, so you don't feel bad whenever it's being delivered to you and you're getting a free case of a phone, of an iPhone. So it is always advisable you click the item you want to get for free and make sure you read through the item, because most of it is actually giving you a description of what you are actually getting. Okay, so once you click an item and you're getting a description of what you are supposed to get, then you can now go ahead to add to cart. Most of you might be given chances to add about 3 items. Most people will be given about 5 chances to add 5 items, depending on your luck. Okay, so once you are able to add these items, you then follow the process of clicking on the next coins that they are giving you, or just follow the process. So once you are able to reach to the end of the 100%, they will ask you to share your link. Then you can now share your links to your friends. So once you are able to at least share to 2 or 3 persons, I think so, then you will be given a message that congratulations, you have gotten a free gift from Temu. Then instantly, if you have not added your address, they will demand for your address. Then you add your address, then your items you selected will be shipped directly to the address you have actually put on the Temu app. So that is how this Temu app works, and I will advise you jump into this as quick as possible, because no one knows when it's going to end. So you're actually getting this update on a quicker note, so it is advisable you start now and use the code below the description and also on the pinned comment section whenever you are asked for a code. All right, and if you still don't understand how this operates, you can quickly send me a DM, because I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number below this video. So thank you for watching this video, and do well to please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any updates and valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video, and keep winning.